We're moving slowly, and there's a wind over there. You can see the waves are changing, and then gradually, hopefully, it will be coming over here. That means the winds will blow or toward this way. If those ripples come here, they will approach, and I can feel little breezes now that blows over the surface of the flat water. And that's how you know that. Get prepared for the wind that's coming. See, the waves are getting faster now as the wind is blowing stronger. See how beautiful the reflection of the sun is on the water. And you see that zephyr is approaching. You can see that waves is changing. It's coming in. See, that's the wind, that's the breezes, that's the zephyr on water. That's going to push us, and that's coming. Whoa! Then you feel that wind on the sail, on your skin. The breezes, and then it's getting stronger.